was talking about how, like, what would happen if, like, I ever, like, did the whole Carrie Underwood song before he cheats to his car. He was like, I would never, like, hurt you if you did that. But don't do it! I was crying. I would never do that. I would never, ever hurt you, even if you did that. Don't do it! And he had, like, a really, like, angry face on me. Okay, now take a thing. Burp.
Real.
Yeah, I want to. Has to be really good though.
Okay,
You can show your fantastic skills. No pressure.
Put the kitchen back over.
Okay.
Can't walk and hear the same thing. That's why the burps were so quiet. Here it comes.
Is it?
It's not gonna be loud.
Dang it.
No, wait.
There you go.